This is how to make biscuits and gravy while backpacking. So I purified the water and then I boiled it just to be even more safe. And I've got these biscuits and gravy, and I've taken the oxygen absorber out, and I'm gonna add 1 3/4 cups of boiling water, and then stir carefully and close zipper. And after 4 minutes, I can stir again. And let stand for 9 minutes and enjoy right out of the pouch. And this has 2 servings, so it's usually pretty accurate. I mean, I'm a fat guy, and I like to eat, and you know, the 2 serving meals typically are, you know, even if you like to eat a lot, it's still typically enough for 2 people. So take that into consideration when you're trying to pack light, like I am today out on the Appalachian Trail. You know, weight's a killer. So okay, I've got my water boiled. And that's the right amount right there. Now I'm going to stir it. It's important to stir this because if you don't, it doesn't turn out right. Stir it really good. Get all that stuff from the bottom too, you know, you want it all in there. I've done some of these and I didn't stir them enough. Like I did, wasn't biscuits and gravy, but it was really good. It was a pad thai. But when I got to the bottom, because I failed to stir properly, there were there were pieces of noodles that were hard because I didn't stir it right. So remember to do that. This looks really good. We'll come back here in a minute for the taste test. This is just, you know, how to make biscuits and gravy while backpacking. Hey y'all, Irix guy here, and it's hot hot out of the bag. That's the beauty of these things, you just eat them out of the bag. These are the biscuits and gravy. They smell great, they look good. Look at that. It looks like gravy and biscuits. It tastes like gravy and biscuits. This is good. And cooked it with water from the big creek. I'm out here on the Appalachian Trail. Purified it, boiled it. Man, these are good. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell to be notified whenever I post another video. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Irix guy here. Thanks again for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. If you're looking for Irix Guy's Adventure Channel merch, like this t-shirt and a lot of other cool stuff, expand this video's description. You can find it all there. Y'all have a good day.